Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Apps in Motion. Please subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon for updates. Okay, today we are going to create another project, and also, uh, you know, you have you know we have already done uh, navigation view. So the same thing we are going to do today, like which is a different kind of exercise. Okay, so it is basically Swift UI navigation view. It's the topic of today, and uh, earlier also we have done like that. We have done for courses. We have done for the other one was restaurants, and this third one is going to be movies. Okay, this is going to be basically based on movies. Okay, fine. Now, um, so we are going to have a content view Swift and a detail view. That is a master view and a detail view we are going to have. Okay, right. So let's start. Let me file the Xcode. So go to Xcode. So let me say Xcode beta. Sorry, beta, and enter. So search this Mac. Okay, so Xcode beta 3. Okay. Now I've already created the movies project. Okay, so I just want to go through that, and then you can go through that in the video, so that you can look at the video and understand all these things. Like anyway, as I'm doing this, I'll be as I'm recording this, I'll be explaining every aspect of this particular project. Okay, so movies, click on movies. I'm clicking on movies now. Okay, so now this is the movies project. Okay, so in the movies, see, this is quite you should be very familiar about this, because I've been telling about the structure. Like I told you, the structure is the first class citizen of Swift UI, and you can see the structure movies identifiable. That also I told you, because these movies, each movie is will have a unique ID, so it's identifiable. So it's a unique identity for it. Okay, right. So now we first have the structure movies, where it's going to have an ID, it's going to have a name, and it's going to have an image. Okay, now after that, let's start this content view structure. Okay, so in content view structure, we will say, like, we are going to have movies, I told you. So actually what I have done is, if you see the assets.exe assets here, you can see that I am giving a lot of what to say, a lot of movie, let's say. Okay, so each one has got a image, right? It's all, each one has got an image. Okay, now, so in the content view Swift, if you really look at it, since we have already declared the movie's structure, it should not crib about, when we say movies, it knows that this movies is going to be a type of movies. So movies is a structure. So in that case, this particular movies is going to be the type of this movies. Okay, and the movies. So movies name will have a name. One of the movies is Joker, and it came in 2016. It's just randomly I put it, it's not true. And the image name is one. Same way, movies name Hallowed Be Thy Name 2014, image name is 2. Movies name Don't Save My Name, 2017, image 3. Movies name Robin Hood 2018, image 4. Movies Name of the King 2019, image 5. And movies name In the Name of Love 2019, image 6. So there are 6 movie images, 6 movies movie names and movie images are there, and 6 IDs will be there for it. Okay. Now, the familiar statement, variable body sum view. So the body is going to return one huge view, like whatever view, the whole view, it's going to return. Navigation view is basically for when you want to navigate from one scene to another scene. We'll call it a scene normally. You can also call it as a screen. That doesn't matter. So you can move from one scene to another scene with the use of the navigation view. And navigation view is going to show you a list of movies. Navigation view, it will show a list of movies where list of movies, movie in, and look at the navigation link destination. So that means the navigation view is basically what it's trying to do is it is trying to create a navigation link to the destination. That is, the source is what? The source is going to be the master, the main this thing, like say content view. The source is going to be the content view, whereas the destination is going to be the detail view. So the source is going to be a master view, and destination is going to be the detail view. Okay, so destination details view. So details view, we are going to write it at the end, so you will be able to see the details view structure and other things also. Okay, right. And then and the index is like details view index is going to be movie dot image. Okay, and vstack alignment. So it's now trying to structure the movie's master detail, this thing, isn't it? This is, so this is going to be the master content, let's say. So in the master content, we are using a vstack alignment. So vstack is going to be what? It's going to be vertically arranged, right? So each and every movie, okay, is going to be arranged with like it's something like a what to say, movie image, okay, and with the movie name below. So first movie image will come, and then movie name will come, okay, or whatever, like however we are writing. So we are first writing a name and the movie, but it doesn't matter, in the name of this thing. So the name of this thing will come here, will come down, and the image will be coming up, and the name will be coming down. Okay, right. So we stack alignment leading image movie image. See, we have put it as movie dot image as first. Then resizable, aspect ratio, content mode, fit. Okay. Corner radius also we have given 10, and text movie name. So after the movie image, the movie name will come. So the movie name here, what is the movie name? The movie name will be like in the name of Love 2019. One of the things. Okay, so that will be the movie name, like, or for each one, like, for the first image, what is the name we have given, right? So this is the kind of a structure. See, this is the name, this is the image, 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 this is the name, this is the image. Okay, fine. So this will be now it's going to show the image, but the image will be of a kind of a fitting size. It won't be like, it will not fill the whole screen. It is going to be a fitting size, and below that it will have, see, because it's going to scroll through, because since it's a V stack, so the V stack is going to arrange every movie one below the other, okay, with the name and image, with the image and name. Okay, so in that case, that is going to be like the image can be like fit. It should be, the content mode should be like aspect ratio should be, it's going to be content mode fit. Okay, then corner radius is there, and then finally After finishing it, we decide that navigation bar title. So there should be a title for that particular thing. So we said we are going to have movies, but if we start writing like say something like I say like hallowed by be thy name. So what is this? Is it a movie or is it an article or whatever it is? Like it could be. So I have to give something like a heading for that. Okay, navigation bar title. So that's what I'm saying. Instead of heading, we should say it as title. So navigation bar title text movies. So movies will come as a header. Okay, and the foreground color of that is going to be the color black. That is, the movies will be colored in black. Okay, fine. So now this is the master view. Okay, this is specifically the master view. The detailed view is different. Okay, the detailed view is something different. Okay, this also we can definitely preview this. Let's preview this and see whether it's doing it or not. That is the master view. Yeah. Okay, see, look at this. This is the movies. Can you see that this is a darker color? And you can see that this can keep moving. So let's do this, and then it will start moving. Yeah, one is it two, right? Wait, 1 second. Wait, I'll do it with the simulator. Will be easier. Okay, well succeeded. I'll just clear this off. Then just close the canvas. Yeah, close this. Okay, okay. So now the simulator just come, not attach. Okay. Wait. Okay, let me just run it. Yeah. So if you really look at it, now you see it's going smoothly because we are using a simulator. Okay, so you can see the name of the king and other things are not Robin Hood. All these are, you have a name, you have an image, and you have a name, right? So, and also an year of, release also is there. So that way. Okay, so this is the first screen. Okay, this is the first screen. Yeah. Now, after this, we will get a different screen. So now let me just open the details view.swift. Okay. So now in the detail view, look at this detail view act environment. We are going to have a presentation mode. That is, the master is going to have a link, navigation link to the destination, which is the detail. Okay. So, and we are going to have a binding with the presentation mode. So variable index is string. Okay, variable index is string. Okay, and variable body sum view. Okay, variable index is a string. We are saying index is a string. So we can say A1, A2 or whatever it is like. Okay, navigation view 1, 2, 3 will also be a string. Don't worry about it. We have to put with quotes within quotes. Now variable body view, navigation view, image. Look at this here. A and index. So index is a string. So A1 will be a string, right? So dot resizable, aspect ratio, content mode fit. And look at this. Why is this different from the earlier? In this case, you are going to have a full image. Whereas in the original case, in the first case, in the master case, the image was just image and text was there. In this case, this is going to be filled with the image completely. Okay. So frame min width equal to 0 and max width is equal to infinity. That means it goes to the complete full screen. Min height is also the same way. Min height is 0, max height is infinity. And edges ignoring safe area will be all. So there will be the safe areas will be will not be touched like. Then navigation bar items. So when you say navigation bar items, so there'll be like items like where when we want to go back, or when you want to press a kind of a like no disclosure icon kind of thing. Disclosure icon like this will come. So those things are something like which can really So now when I'm going from master to detail, I should have something, some kind of a button, right? Some kind of a button. See, button action self dot presentation mode dot wrapped value dot dismiss. Okay, and the label for that going back is image back, and dot foreground color dot white. Okay, so this is what is the because when you want to go back, you can go back by saying by using the back button, whereas when you want to go further, then you can use a navigation button, right? Okay, that's a navigation button. Okay, fine. So this is, and we are also specifying in the details view preview that details view index is 1, that is the first picture is 1. So it will start with the first, second, third. So now in our case we have about 6 images. So you will see 6 images, which is fully blown up. Okay, right. So now let us now stop movies. Okay, yeah. See when I one second. We'll just do it again. Yeah. So now you see there is a button here. Can you see that? So if you click on this, it will just blow up to a full this thing. Okay. So there are some problems here. Here the movies is going to have a back button. So if I click on back, it will go to this. Okay. So it's not very the thing. Maybe the we should make this edges safe edges. Ignoring not all. It should be nothing. I think edges ignoring safe area is all, but it's not really doing this. I think. Okay. Right. The same way, next one. Let's see. Next. Same way that chevron has come here. When I click here, the whole thing will be there. Then go back. Then again, the third one. Oh, sorry. Now we will have the third one. So when you click on this, the whole thing will come and you can go back. Yeah. Okay. Next. You click on this, right? So it becomes bigger. Okay, go back here. Then when you click on this, yeah. So this is clear, much clearer. So now Robin Hood, yes, that's it. Okay. So this is a kind of a nice example which you will be able to practice it, and then because this is a typical kind we have given for courses, restaurants, and this movies. So there are, because since navigation view is very important, I have given you more number of projects for that. Okay, right. So I would like you to practice this, and then make sure that you are up to speed, and then so we will. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's